Warehouses of the future aren't just massive storage spaces, they're eco-friendly, tech-driven, and designed for efficiency. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how AI and design are transforming the exteriors of tomorrow's warehouses. First up, let's talk sustainability. In today's world, the importance of sustainable practices cannot be overstated. Tomorrow's warehouses are setting the standard by using eco-friendly materials like recycled steel and solar panels. These materials are not just chosen at random, they are carefully selected and monitored by advanced AI systems to ensure maximum efficiency and minimal environmental impact. These innovative buildings are designed to produce and manage their own energy through cutting-edge systems like smart solar panels. These panels are equipped with technology that allows them to track sunlight throughout the day, optimizing energy collection and storage. This AI-driven energy efficiency not only cuts down operational costs but also significantly reduces carbon footprints. By integrating these advanced technologies, warehouses are becoming greener and more sustainable than ever before, paving the way for a more eco-conscious future. Next, we have green integration, a revolutionary approach to sustainable architecture. Picture entire warehouse exteriors covered in vertical gardens and green walls, managed by AI-powered irrigation systems that ensure optimal water usage and plant health. These living facades not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also help purify the air, reduce urban heat islands, and create a healthier environment for everyone. And with climate-responsive facades, AI can automatically adjust shading and tint to control internal temperatures, responding to the sun's position and weather conditions in real time. This makes the building energy efficient and comfortable in all seasons, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling, and significantly lowering energy costs. The combination of green integration and climate-responsive facades represents the future of eco-friendly building design. As e-commerce continues to grow at an unprecedented rate, warehouses are evolving to keep up with the demand. They are now incorporating drone-friendly designs to streamline operations. Imagine rooftops equipped with specialized landing pads and charging zones specifically for drones. Additionally, there are designated areas within the warehouse grounds for autonomous vehicles to operate efficiently. Advanced AI systems manage this high-tech traffic, ensuring that deliveries are not only quick and seamless but also highly efficient. This integration of technology is revolutionizing the logistics industry, making it more responsive and adaptive to consumer needs. The future of warehouse exteriors is sustainable, adaptive, and tech-integrated. Want more insights on how AI is reshaping our world? Hit subscribe, give us a like, and stay tuned for more on the future of smart design.